Ever wondered how dream kitchens come to life? Welcome to the world of Kato Designer Kitchen, where the magic begins with a single sketch and ends with a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Our journey began with a simple vision: to create exceptional kitchen spaces that not only meet but exceed the expectations of our clients. Over the years, this vision has remained at the heart of everything we do, pushing us to constantly innovate and perfect our craft. Our story is one of dedication, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to quality. It's a story that starts with understanding the unique needs of each individual client. We believe that every kitchen should be as unique as the person who uses it. That's why we pour our hearts into creating bespoke kitchen solutions that not only look stunning, but also function seamlessly. Our tale continues with our team of highly skilled professionals. Each member brings their own unique expertise and passion, from the designers who sketch the initial concepts to the craftsmen who painstakingly bring those designs to life. Together, we transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Our journey doesn't end when a kitchen is complete. Instead, we view this as just the beginning of a long-lasting relationship with our clients. We take pride in knowing that we have not only created a beautiful kitchen, but also delivered a personalized solution that will be cherished for years to come. The final chapter of our story is always about you, our valued client. Your satisfaction is not just our goal, it's our guarantee. We are committed to going above and beyond to ensure that every kitchen we design and manufacture is a true reflection of your unique style and personality. In the world of Kato Designer Kitchen, the possibilities are endless. We invite you to step into our world where every kitchen tells a story and every story begins with you. Welcome to a world of quality, precision, and innovation. Welcome to Kato Designer Kitchen. Our commitment to excellence is not just a motto, it's a fundamental principle that guides every aspect of our work.